Part A. Observing a drop of diluted milk. Your teacher will prepare a slide of diluted milk and put it on the stage of a microscope. The diluted milk is composed of fat droplets suspended in water. Adjust the focus of the microscope until you can see tiny bubbles on the screen. These tiny bubbles are fat droplets. Look at one of the fat droplets carefully. What do you observe? Part B. Using the kinetic motion model to understand the observation above. Your teacher will show you a kinetic motion model. A ball and some small beads are placed inside the model. Turn on the model. Observe carefully the movement of the ball and what causes the ball to have this movement.